Okay, let's talk about the Insta360 Ultra. Let's unbox it. First time natin mag-Insta360 na camera, and then we just wanted to see what's inside the box. So hindi ito yung combo, it's basically the basic set. This is the box, super small, and then it comes with a this one, depende sa store. I think may mga store na nagbibigay ng card. They actually gave me 128 gigs. And since we provided a feedback dun sa store, they also gave us the freebies. Pero okay, let's focus on the unboxing para mabilis lang tayo. Okay, so like what I mentioned, ito yung Insta360 Ultra, which was recently announced a few days back. And what we have is just the normal kit. Hindi ito yung combo. So, limited yung laman nito. And let's see what's inside. Okay, so if there's one thing that I really like about this packaging is it's not the size. It's actually the sustainability part of it. Typically, pagka bumili kayo ng electronic devices, ang laki ng mga boxes, and then you're just gonna end up throwing it, diba? Pero this one, I feel like they focus more on sustainability. It's a small box, and basically everything is inside. And it also represents the technology that's inside this box. So, buksan natin siya. When you actually purchase it, it's kind of like cool kasi you immediately see what's inside the box, other than the accessories na makikita nyo. And then meron din siya dito things that you can actually do about it, in a nutshell. So the box itself will give you an idea what's the capability of this one. And if you're a biker, ito yung maganda. It looks like they're really marketing it for bikers. Kaya siguro, yeah, took me a while to really decide. So, buksan natin siya. Okay, that's it. So, oh, nice. Cool. So, yeah, so, upon unboxing it, you get this cool stuff like go explore, go enjoy, go create, go capture, and then you get the camera dito sa box. And you can see that it's actually karton, diba? It's actually magnet that's holding it here. Yes, it's cool. So upon unboxing, you can actually see that the camera itself is actually magnet sa box niya. So that's the box. That's it. It immediately give you an idea what's capable of doing. Pero what's nice about it is if you look at it, that's the camera. Pero let me point it out. What's special about this is the reason why I waited for this version at hindi ko kinuha yung mga initial version is because I am more of a 60 FPS shooter. Most of the camera na nilabas nila before is 4K, pero 30 FPS. In a nutshell, pag kasi mababa yung frame per second nun, pag nag-shot ka ng madilim or low light, magiging blurry yun. Pero pagka 60 FPS ka, regardless, full of action, mabilis yung pagbabay, mabilis yung pag-shot mo, and then low light, it basically, that 60 FPS will help you to ensure that the quality of the shot is still there. So, ganyan siya kanipes, if you can see. And then later, i-weigh natin para magkaroon tayo idea. Okay. Ito yung box niya, and then, yep, the typical starter guide, which you have to read, or else you're gonna end up like other people na whenever they have problem, they go to Facebook and then say hindi nila alam gawin because they're not reading the manual. So it's just so basic na before you even ask people about how to do stuff, take time to read this. So warranty card, the stickers as well, and basically that's it. So that's what you get here. This is actually the base of the box. Galing. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. So no wonder dumidikit siya kanina sa box here. It's because ito yung magnet na pendant niya. So it's actually here. So this is the pendant. Ito yung pendant kasi niya. Ang purpose ng pendant nito is if you're if you wanted to do a POV, especially if you're riding, no, or running, you put it inside here. Well, assuming that everything is inside. Just don't want to remove my clothes in front of the cam. So that's kind of how it works. So dito siya. So you can position it wherever you want it to do. And initially, nung tinest ko siya kanina, what I like about it is, if you position it this way, it's actually landscape shot, and then if you rotate it, it becomes a portrait shot for the reels. Okay, next is the charger. Then this one. So the next one is the clip for the cap. So how this one works is, it's basically part of the cap. I think pwede mo siyang dito. There you go. And then you can mount it this way, maybe. Yep, there you go. Yep. So if you are probably, yeah, this kind of where it goes. So the only thing that I don't like about it, to be honest, is the size. Pero that's okay kasi this size improves the battery life. So that's okay. Compared to the old one, mas maliit siya pero mas maikli yung baterya. So that's kind of like how it works. And pwede rin siya sa likod ng cap mo, I think. Yeah. Pero I think this is very straightforward. It's just a clip ng para sa cap. So it's a very, very nice accessory, especially if you are using it for family. May mga anak kayo, then you can focus on playing with them and then while also recording it. Then the last part, I think, is the body itself. So this is where you actually mount the camera. Pag nandito siya, para siyang action camera, and you can flip this and then you can see yourself para ma-frame mo na maayos. And then meron ka ring handle. Meron siya record button, power button, then this one is the release latch. Pag pinindot mo to, you can actually get it. Tapos these are the locks pag meron ka additional mount for your bike. And then the USB port C to charge it. So basically, it's very simple. If you need to charge this one, you need the base. And if you wanted to use if you wanted to basically use the USB-C, you have to use the base to charge it. Kasi walang USB-C ito. Pero what's nice about this is yung memory card slot niya is actually part of the cube. And it's there. So yun yung naging improvement niya in a nutshell. It's slightly bigger than the old one, pero it's actually thinner than the old one. And at the same time, this size offers a better battery performance, and at the same time is you don't have to worry about the capacity kasi yung SD card niya is actually inside. Lanyard. So I think this one is very useful, especially pagka naka-pendant ka, just in case something happens. You can ensure that it will not just fly away or whatever. Ito yung pendant niya. So yeah, that wraps up the unboxing. Hopefully magkaroon kayo idea that if you get this package, you basically just get that one. Wala siyang bike mount, wala siyang selfie stick, wala siyang yung suction cap mount. Everything else is very basic. You get the pendant, you get the cap, you get the charger, and then you get the camera itself. With this alone, you can already start filming. And then eventually, once this product actually starts maturing, dadating na yung mga third-party accessories, then that's the time you can start buying all those additional accessories. But yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go to TMCR and bike. I'm gonna do some tests. What I plan to do is I'm not gonna bring this. I'm just gonna use this one for the entire ride, maybe 80 kilometers. I just wanted to test if this is gonna survive the entire 80 kilometers. Not continuous shooting, but basically whenever I wanted to shoot, I just wanted to see if the battery of this one can survive a 80 kilometers ride, roughly around 3 hours. So on and off na lang ako magre-record, pero I wanted to do a test if this one can actually is more than enough to shoot a short 70-80 kilometers ride 3 hours for a cyclist vlogger. That's it. Thank you very much for watching, and watch out for my next video kasi yun yung actual video natin for the quality. Okay? Thank you and bye.